Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are with another review.
Here at Pointless Talkies, we are reviewing today a Kannada movie, Masterpiece. So before this movie, we had seen Mr. and Mrs. Ramachari, starring Yash. So we had a lot of expectation from this movie. So once we entered this movie, yesterday we saw this movie and it was houseful. So this movie stars Yash in the main lead, supported by Suhasini and Achyut Kumar in the supporting roles. So this movie basically starts off with mother Suhasini is not very happy with the way Yash is going about his life, and she has her concerns. So she expresses that in front of a camera and a television, and the movie unfolds from there, right?
Yeah. So what happens from there on, so that's the way they take about the film. They show Yash, like what exactly is he doing. It starts off with his mother talking about him. There's a sense of suspense to what Yash is doing. You can clearly sense Yash is not up to good things. There's some kirik that he's doing. But then, it's fine. You can just sense there's something wrong with Yash and all those things. Mother's like really concerned. Suhasini is done, cakewalk for her. She's like done a superb role playing Yash's mom. She plays this middle class, educated mother. Just like everybody else, he wants his son to do certain things. One good thing is her role in this film is she says she works as a bench clerk in this court, and then she sees all these rowdies and everybody else standing in this, what is that
Witness
called?
box.
Witness box and all, and then she says after seeing all these things, she doesn't aspire for her son to be an engineer or a doctor or anything like that, and she just wants her son to be this guy who contributes to the society in a certain way. But then what Yash is doing is all nothing with sync with his mother, right? So he's doing his own things, and that's the whole crux of the film. So what he does and then how there's a sync finally between him and his mom is what is shown in this film.
And also, when we go back to his childhood, we can also see that there's a shade of patriotism also, right? She also talks to him about all the leaders. Yeah. She talks to him about Bhagat Singh, Azad. So he's actually somewhere inspired by them.
Yeah.
So he he goes on like whatever way he's going, like he solves it like hook or crook. He solves the thing.
Right.
So I think element of patriotism is very well used in this movie.
Yeah. Another thing that has to be spoken about in this film is the presence of Yash. I mean, whatever it is, it's definitely 90% is because of this guy Yash. The screen presence of this guy Yash is the talking point, should be the talking point of the film. That's one reason why you could sit and complete the film and come out, because otherwise the story part of the film, they just lose it after the second half, There's this point where I'm like dozing off because they've just lost the plot. First half is very good. It's got the commercial things, it's got the comedy, it's got the romance, it's got the songs and everything. It's got Bruce Lee's role, right? Chikanna, played by Chikanna, is like very well, it makes you laugh, like really good and all those things. Quite disappointing the way film starts off and then it just falls apart, Yeah, that's the masterpiece all about.
So in the second half, movie gets very stretchy, and you can see all the movie gets suddenly cluttered. Whatever they wanted to end it, I think they could have done it, more quickly. It ends on a good note. So it ends off like, even though he does all these things, finally the mother is, she's happy with him, right, at the end of the movie.
They managed to, it's like, take a mathematic theorem and then you start proving everything and in the middle you lose the track, but in the end you write it's proved, it's something like that.
Yeah.
So if I have to, if you have to sum this up in one line, that's what this film is all about.
That's what it is, and it also brings about a sense of social responsibility to the audience. I think whatever it's related to, you have to go and watch the movie. So that's the movie. Give it a watch. It's
Yash fans, you'll definitely enjoy it. You can watch Yash, any day, man. He's got the presence, he's got his looks, he's got his...
He dances well.
Oh boy, he's an excellent dancer. He's an excellent dancer. Some lovely peppy songs. Really, you could... if you are in the mood, you could just go to the front and start dancing with
Dancing,
him.
yeah.
Seriously, I was shaking my head and my whatever. It was like really, really good. Good dancing.
Good dance.
I think I also can't help but say this. I really, really wish for Yash to find some good scripts.
And he also, experiments with it. And,
Experiments, I'm sure Yash is
apart
gonna
from
rock
the
it.
commercial aspect,
Yeah.
he should try out
It's
something
just a
new.
matter of him finding that right
Exactly,
director,
yeah.
just who
Yeah.
he could just concentrate on his acting,
Exactly.
and somebody could, direct him,
Could
somebody
direct him
should
and,
do,
make him into a character.
yeah,
A character.
the next time. So that's it, pretty much. Signing off is Jagmo.
This is Suda.